So there are a lot of people on the internet who enjoy watching cricket matches, drama serials, or even Bollywood and Hollywood content. Some people are more into music channels too. The problem is, most of the time, you can't properly enjoy live TV while sitting in front of your PC. Now I know some of you might say, why not just use YouTube instead of TV? And yes, YouTube is huge. You can find almost everything there. Dramas, music, documentaries, and sometimes even movies. But the reality is, most drama serials or shows usually air on TV channels first. Later on, they may appear on YouTube or other platforms, but that depends on the channel and their upload schedule. I still remember when I was a student, I used to love watching channels like National Geographic. The way they showed animal life, behavior, and real-world experiments felt special. When you try to search for the same experience on YouTube, it's often clipped, incomplete, or just doesn't feel the same. So yeah, that's where this method comes in. Now let's get straight to the method. There's a way to access a large collection of publicly available TV streams directly on your PC, all in one place. Go to Google and search for IPTV GitHub. You'll find a GitHub page. Open it, and there you'll see different playlist links. I'll show on screen exactly which playlist I'm using. Next, you'll need a media player that supports network streaming. I personally recommend VLC because it's free, lightweight, and very easy to use. Open VLC, and if you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official website. I'll put the link in the description. After installing, open VLC, click on Media, then Open Network Stream. Paste the playlist link there and hit play. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of channels from different parts of the world. You can browse and play any available stream, but keep in mind that stream quality and loading speed fully depend on your internet connection, so a stable connection really matters here. One important thing I want to clearly mention: this method is meant for personal viewing only. Some channels may have restrictions on redistribution or rebroadcasting. I don't recommend hosting these streams, sharing them publicly, or using them for commercial purposes, because that can cause legal issues with the original channel owners. So use it responsibly, keep it personal, and that's pretty much it.